stage, everybody. Let's go.
Everybody. Please, like stage. Everybody. Please.
Everybody get down from the stage, please, everybody.
I'm sorry. Hi, Tom.
Please.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, you're here.
Ayaa laga tago, please, everybody stage ka tago. Gadaasha soo dhaafo. Gadaal oo dhaafo.
Before we start, I want everybody to give some space. On the stage we have Somali music dance group that are going to perform right in front of her. They have been working hard for almost 2 weeks to perform right in front of her. Can you guys believe? Give her some space in the back. Right in front of the stage. If you're on the stage,
Come on in.
can we give them some dance floor? We have the Somali music group dance coming in that are going to perform.
We got some performance right here, please. If you guys can move, thank you.
Intaan hore oo dhan. Gadaasha fadhi.
To be a bully now. Soomaali bulshada baa waxay
weli ilaa halkaan hore oo dhan intaana loo baahan yahay. Ilaa intaana loo baahan yahay. We need space here.
I'm here to welcome your next congresswoman and my mother, Ilhan.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Thank you all for being here with us. Thank you for welcoming us to Song and Dance. What an amazing journey this has been. I stand here before you tonight as your Congresswoman-elect with many firsts behind my name. The first woman of color to represent our state in Congress. The first woman to wear a hijab to represent. The first refugee ever elected to Congress. And one of the first Muslim women elected to Congress. My beautiful sister from Michigan, Rashida Tlaib. But you all know I did not run to be a first. I ran because I came to this country. I heard of its promises. And when I looked around this district to see many who have never known the bounty of the American promise. The promise of life, liberty, and the pursuit. This country is supposed to be the land where people have the tools necessary to lead a life that is prosperous. Yet, indigenous people promised homes are living in tents like refugees in their own land. Millennials promised the American dream if they study hard enough, only to find that dream deferred by the harsh realities of our economy. Immigrants promised the land of opportunity are too often met with bigotry and hate. I could not stand by on the sidelines and watch those promises go unkept. My grandfather taught me that when you see injustice, you fight back. You do not give into sorrow. You do not give into sadness. You organize and you build with people. I would not be here tonight without my people. My family, my father, who's probably lost somewhere in the sea. My children, Isra, Adnan, and Ilhan. And my husband, my best friend, my rock. And my other family, my campaign team. Our staff, the interns, the volunteers, who have given endlessly of themselves and their time these past few months. And I wouldn't be here without you, the people of the 5th Congressional District, who in electing me have said that you will fight for our bold progressive vision, for healthcare for all, for working families to ensure that they are paid a living wage, and have access to safe and sick time, thanks in large part to labor unions. We will fight for a world-class education, tuition-free college, and finally free students from the shackles of debt. We will fight to abolish ICE, keep families together, protect refugees, protect women's right to choose, and fight against climate change. You as Minnesotans are the North Star that guides our nation. You don't back down. You become your own promise. When the call came for me to run for Congress, I answered because the time demanded it. A time when racism and white supremacy threatens our very existence, when my status as an immigrant, Black, Muslim woman means that the current administration does not see me as an American. You know I will not bow down. You know I will not back down to fear and hate. I will stand strong with you. And as we fight to protect our immigrant families, our neighbors, our children, our planet, our communities, I promise to always have your back. So our state is very cold, but the people have warm hearts. This state has always made me feel like I was part of a family. Because here in Minnesota, we don't only welcome immigrants, we send them to Washington. Our beautiful journey does not end tonight. We must stand side by side and fight for our democracy. We must fight for our rights and the freedoms we value. It is up to us to fulfill the promise of America. We must do the work to create the America we believe in, the America we deserve. We are who we've been waiting for.
you